Good day, everyone. I am Queenie Jane Pino, a third-year IT student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL Update. To start with, create database and name it employee underscore DB semicolon. And next is use the database, which is the employee underscore DB semicolon, enter. The next is create a table employee with its attributes empl underscore id int 10 unsigned auto increment primary key not null comma enter, then empl underscore full name varchar 30 not null, then comma, then enter. Next is the empl underscore gender varchar 10 not null, comma, then enter again. Next is the empl underscore birthday date not null, comma, then enter. Next is the empl underscore address varchar 40 not null, comma, and enter. And the last one is the empl underscore hire date not null, close and open close parenthesis, then semicolon. Next is to insert a values to the employee. Type insert into employee values. So one is the employee ID. Queenie Pino is for EMPL full name. Then the female is for the gender. Then the 1996/07/02 is for the employee's birthday. Then the Lagonglong is for the employee's address. Then the 2015/03/22 is for the employee's hire date. So we will enter a two entities. Just make sure to input all the correct information, enter. Then to view the values we have inserted to the table, use the syntax select all from employee semicolon. Then update employee set empl underscore address equals single quote Balingasag single quote where empl underscore full name equals single quote gmju cascon single quote semicolon. To check if you updated successfully, use the syntax select all from employee.